Engines are more sophisticated than ever and have very tight tolerances. That's why you need the proper oil that meets or exceeds the severest standards from vehicle manufacturers. Quartz INEO Extra Long Life from Total Energies reduces engine deposits and maximizes performance while protecting your engine against cold start ignition. This advanced formula fights against the sludge that's created when oil is burned, allowing you to optimize the performance of your vehicle over time. This synthetic, hybrid-compatible engine oil is designed for the newest generations of engines. Quartz Extra Long Life Oil has outstanding anti-friction performance and reduced fuel consumption, equaling less emissions. This high-quality oil is also great for the environment because it reduces engine deposits and ensures optimal functioning of the particulate filters, lowering emissions, which means less environmental impact, so you can feel peace of mind while driving down the road. Keep your engine younger for longer with Quartz Engine Oil by Total Energies.